I have a load of garbage on the truck. I'm heading to the local dump. Truck is driving normal. Then all of a sudden, I lose power. And this is the sound I'm getting. I'm able to limp it home. I'm assuming I have a failing fuel pump or dirt or something in the screen for the fuel pump. It wasn't the fuel pump, but I'll show you what I found. And now it's fixed. Idle steady. Revs up easy, no stumble. Listen to the exhaust. Normal sounding exhaust. Stumble's gone on the motor. I'll show you what I did. At first I thought it was a fuel pump issue. I checked the fuel pressure, it was like that 55-60 psi, so I knew that was fine. I googled a little bit, and some threads talked about possibly the mass airflow sensor. I did have a spare one here from a parts truck, and I put it on. It made no difference. The engine was making popping noises on the left side, the left bank, and which made me think, okay, there could be like an intermittent spark. I decided to start pulling the plugs off the coils to see, did I have a dead cylinder? And I pulled off one coil, nothing, no change. Another one, no change. So then I took out the main plug right there, and no change at all. So I quickly determined this side was dead. There was no power, or no ground. And in my case, it was no ground. I pulled this plug off. Your pink wire is your power, your black is your ground. So I did check with the test light. It was getting power, but it was only getting an intermittent ground. Somewhere on the bottom of the motor, somewhere down there is the main ground for the coil packs. And I have read and saw YouTube videos where I guess that ground could, the eyelet could rot off or corrode off. So all I did was I cut the ground wire, spliced in, and ran it there. I know it's a tisk that I didn't use black, but it's the only wire I had on hand at the time. Truck runs great now, I'm happy. So if this is a problem you're having with your truck, maybe this is the solution as well. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.